What's going on, guys? I wanted to talk about real quick an add-on called Tongues, and this is a retail add-on that there is a quick fix for Classic, where you change one of the codes, or one of the lines of code, to get it to work. And once you do that, you can use the add-on in Classic, and there seems to be no issues. But if that seems like a little more hassle than you want to deal with, if you want to use the add-on, just reach out and I will send you a zip file with it already done for you. And so what this add-on, what this add-on does is it lets you speak in basically any language you could think of in the game. For my purposes, because I'm a bug man, I'm going to be using it for Nerubian, obviously. So I just have set my language to Nerubian. And I can say, hello, friends. I'm speaking Nerubian. You can see up here, it's gibberished it, but the word Nerubian still stayed, which is pretty sick. Which means that it's a little bit context sensitive. At least for that. So if you say like a noun that would be the same, it should carry through. Which is pretty sick. It doesn't seem to do that with names though or anything, but at least with the word Nerubian, I've discovered. I'll have to play around with it some more and see what else works. But let me just show you guys how to use it real fast. So you'll start with a number of these already known. You know, like Forsaken. Forsaken is what retail calls gutter speak. It's the same thing though. Workish. And that's just going to toggle like you would here with TRP. You can select here dialect. This is kind of like what accent you can have, so you can just like automatically give yourself an accent. Effect, this is like the drunk, like hiccups you can add to your character. A hiss, if you want to just like add random S's into it, and different things like that. But yeah, let me just show you how to add a language real fast. So on the website, for this is called Tongues add-on. This is a retail version. There's a huge list of all the add-ons you can, or all the languages you can learn. So let's just pick one that's going to be fun. I'm going to pick, let's see. Let's speak. Let's try speaking. Let's see. Something random. You know what? Let's speak seal. Yes, I now how to speak. I don't know how. Oh, Raven speech. That sounds cool. Let's do that actually. Raven speech. So you type it in. Pretty sure you have to make sure you type it correctly, and then how much you understand it. I'm going to say that I'm fully fluent. Down here, these are just where is it going to. So you this auto translates. So like if I talk in party, it's gonna just talk normal. Same with guild or officer or whatever. You can uncheck these if you wanted to talk in raid as like Nerubian chat. Okay, so once you've hit it, you just hit enter. Say hi. And now we should have it appear here. Oh, no, not quite. Let me see here. Set. There it is. Raven speech. So then I set it. Close the window. I say I'm sorry. Evermore. Good job. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, nevermore. That's what it is. I'm stupid. No, messed it up. It's still good. Good job. Beautiful. Beautiful. And if you want to unlearn a language, so it'll start out, like I think it started out mine knowing Erdrune or something, which, I don't know, maybe some sort of arcane or elemental language. I didn't want that for my character. So if I want to remove a language, like I no longer want to know how to speak Raven speech. Oops, actually you do need to type it in. So you type it in, and you click clear. And then that should remove it from your... Yep, so that's removed it from my list here. So I no longer have that here. So I only know Demonic, Forsaken, Nerubian, and Orcish. I wish they called it Horde Common. Orcs should be able to speak Orcish. But anyways. Yeah, that's pretty much the add-on. And I think it's super fun, and hopefully gives some people some inspiration for some RP. Maybe shamans speaking elemental or something cool like that, or like I think I said earlier, warlocks speaking demonic to each other. You know, maybe rogues having that secret language that was in the beta for Vanilla WoW but never made it in. You know, having something like that. It could be super fun, super fun. Kalamag, that's the language of the elementals, for any shamans watching. Yeah, so see y'all later.